Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I will tell you why do they choose their fur. There are two possible reasons for this behavior. One is the itchy skin, possibly caused by the fleas or the parasites or an allergy, but persistent or grooming on the one spot or pulling the outer clumps of fur can also the sign of chronic stress, perhaps because of conflict with another cat in the house or in the neighbor or in the neighbor. All cats are big and small suffer from fatty liver disease, in which fats released from other body parts accumulates in the liver, blocking its ability to carry out key functioning such as recycling and red blood cell. The condition can occur as a result as cancer, debates, or kidney disease, but it can be also be triggered. It can also be triggered by the cat or not eating for some reason. It comes on much more quickly or to obese the cat, so it's probably less common in big cat species simply living in the wild. They are unlikely to be overweighted. Cats are much more exacting nutritional requirement than dogs do. So they are more careful about what they eat. Also, as a solitary hunter, their ancestors could afford to eat their own good time. Dogs, in contrast, are descended from pack hunting wolves, which involved to eat quickly, so they could grab their share of the kills. Cats also prefer to hide their faces which would otherwise better their whereabouts to prey and predators alike. Hence, their reluctance to use a dirty litter box. Cats are much more essential than dogs. Dogs are to any chance in the environment because they are a traditional animal that get their sense of insecurity from the place where they live. That's why the cats try to get back to their owner's previous home in a few weeks, week following the house move. If they are literally dying of hunger, cats and dogs will eat anything available. I'm sure that they don't mean to cause offense. Have you ever wondered why cats exhibit strange behavior when exposed to catnip? They act much like a female cat in heat. They might rub their head and body on the herb or jump, roll around, coalesce and salivate. This response lasts for about 10 minutes, after which the cats become refractory to catnip effects for roughly 30 minutes. Response to catnip is hereditary. About 70% of cats exhibit this behavior in the plants. Parents also it does not affect kittens until they are 6 months old and begin to reach maturity. The genetically susceptible cats are responding to volatile oil in the stream and leaves of the plant, which are member of mint family. When the oil named enter the cat's nasal tissue, it apparently binds to protein that stimulates sensory neurons. These nerve cells in turn provoke a response in neurons in the brain of factory. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like my video.